Welcome back, everyone. You may be having this issue with your Xbox where it keeps telling you to be online for some reason. Now, whether you have an Xbox One, Series X or S, maybe even an Xbox 360, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to actually restart your Xbox console. So what you want to do is you can go ahead and, manually power it down by holding down the power button, or you can actually go ahead and, close it down via your system settings. And then once it's shut down, what I'd recommend doing is to actually unplug everything from your console. Once everything's unplugged, I'd recommend just letting it sit there for a little bit of time, and then you can go ahead and plug everything back in. You would not believe how often some random issues like this can pop up, and the best thing you can do in this situation is to probably just unplug everything, let it sit there, and kind of see what happens. At that point, plug everything back in, turn on your Xbox, and see if that issue is still persisting. If that issue went away, then that was pretty much all you had to do. If that issue is still there, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually check your network connections of your specific Xbox. So what you could do is you could make your way over to your settings again on your Xbox, and you just want to see if you're actually connected to a Wi-Fi signal on your specific console. Like I mentioned before, there can be some times where you think you're connected, but randomly you're not connected anymore. And if it looks like you are connected to your network, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually check that network connection. So try going on to like the Xbox store or some other apps on your Xbox, or maybe even trying to go through and, on another device. And if you're connected to the same network, you want to see if you can load up any apps, or, go in the app stores there or the internet browser, and you want to see if you're getting network connection. If you are and everything's loaded, then you can just kind of move on to the next step. But if for some reason you're also experiencing issues on your other devices too, well, there may be a problem with your Wi-Fi router. So what you may have to do is go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router and see if that fixed the problem. If it did, then you're probably done. If that still didn't fix it, what I'd recommend doing is to actually see, and contact your network provider and try to fix it that way. Another thing I'd recommend doing if you don't experience those issues is to actually go to a website like downdetector.com or any other website like that and see if the Xbox store, Xbox, services are actually down. Sometimes you may be having some issues and it could just be, Xbox having that issue and it's not even anything to do with you. So at that point, all you have to do is pretty much just wait until, Microsoft and Xbox fixes their issues. And that's pretty much all you have to do at that point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.